Zero flush, zero water urinals. Finally, a waterless urinal with no odor and easy maintenance that lives up to your expectations. Zero flush sets the new standard. Years of experience in this industry and customer input has been used to re-engineer the zero flush urinal. The zero flush is touch-free, it will improve the hygiene of your restrooms, it is truly odorless, and your custodial staff will appreciate how easy it is to clean and maintain. Zero flush can save you water and money. The average pool holds about 15,000 gallons of water, and one zero flush can save you about 1 to 3 pools of water per year. As the cost of water continues to rise across the country, this will not only save you money, but will also allow you to conserve this precious and finite resource. If male urine is 96% water, this begs the question, why use water to move water? Did you know that bacteria grows where there is water? Doesn't it make sense then not to use water in our urinals? Since zero flush urinals are touch-free, this will help you reduce cross-contamination in your restrooms. Also, because our urinals do not use any flushing mechanisms, this reduces the need to purchase, repair, and replace broken valves. You'll also save on the labor costs associated with these repairs. And your finance department will be happy to know that these savings go right to the bottom line. So what's the zero flush difference? One major difference is that unlike other manufacturers, we do not use a cartridge. Our housing has a removable and replaceable drain insert that, when in place, creates a vertical trap system. And yes, size matters. We are proud to let you know that we have the largest built-in waste trap in the industry. It averages about 15,000 uses before any maintenance is required. There are no cartridges to be handled or replaced, and yes, as you will see, our system is truly odor-free. How does a zero flush urinal work? It's a simple process. First you install the insert, and that will make your trap complete. Next you add water and top it off with odor barrier liquid. The odor barrier liquid is lighter than water and acts as a sealant, blocking all odors inside the trap. At this point the trap is ready for use. Urine is able to pass through the trap, yet the trap is designed to hold the sealant and urine sediment. Zero flush odor barrier liquid is made from 100% natural vegetable oil. It's non-hazardous and environmentally safe. It's also biodegradable, which will keep your pipes clean. Complaints of odor coming from waterless urinals has been the #1 challenge in the industry. But not all waterless urinals are created equal. What happens often with the cartridge system our competitors use is that the sealant breaks when someone pours soda, beer, or coffee into the urinal. Sewer gases can also rise up from the drain. We have solved these issues by redesigning our trap. First, take a look at the picture on the left, and you will notice that our insert contains an O-ring. This stops any sewer gases coming from the drain and escaping into the restroom. Second, if one pours a soda down a zero flush urinal, the sealant will not break because we have built a cascading system within the trap that slows the flow of liquid through the trap and thus not breaking the sealant. In the picture on the right, notice the small holes on top of the insert and the extra little bumps on the side of the insert itself. Both of these features slow down the flow of liquid. After approximately 15,000 uses, a small puddle of blue odor barrier liquid will appear on top of the insert cover. This indicates that it's time to replace the insert and odor barrier liquid. A typical commercial facility that has 75 users per day per urinal will require 2 insert replacement kits per year. Notice in the picture that the person simply pulls out the insert with a puller key. There is no handling of a messy cartridge. He simply flushes the trap and drain with warm water, installs a new insert, and adds the odor barrier fluid. And then he's done. Will the zero flush clog up my drain line? The short answer is no. Long-term blockages in the drain are avoided because of our trap size and design. Our large trap acts as a sediment filter that prevents much of the sediment to build up in the drain line. Instead, the buildup occurs in the large trap. This buildup is suspended in liquid form directly under the sealant odor barrier. When the insert is removed, all the sediment in the trap will then be flushed away at one time, similarly to a flushing toilet. The flushing of the system with a warm bucket of water at insert change is very important to maintaining a clean drain line. This will prevent any long-term buildup. Your custodial staff will find cleaning and maintaining the Zero Flush to be easy. To clean, simply remove all the debris from the surface of the urinal, then spray the urinal surface lightly with our new Spray and Go cleaner. Our Spray and Go deodorizes and digests organic waste, leaves no residue, and needs no wiping. What are the economic benefits of owning a Zero Flush versus a conventional urinal? As mentioned, a traditional urinal will consume between 15,000 to 40,000 gallons of water compared to zero with a Zero Flush. For a conventional urinal, annual combined water and sewer costs are in the range of $200 to $600. With the Zero Flush, the cost of replacing the insert and cleaning the unit will be a fraction of the yearly water and sewer cost. Payback for the Zero Flush is typically in the range of 3 months to 2 years, and this depends greatly on your cost structure and restroom traffic. Finally, the Zero Flush will help you lower your maintenance costs since the unit has no mechanical parts or components. In summary, Zero Flush waterless urinals set a new standard. It's touch-free, helping you reduce cross-contamination. No water means less bacteria in the restrooms. No more need to buy, repair, and replace flush mechanisms. The largest trapper in the industry means less maintenance and lower costs. It's easy to clean and no messy handling of cartridges is required. Our odor barrier liquid is environmentally friendly. And finally, the Zero Flush will typically pay for itself in 2 years or less.